We will do some integrals using substitution. Let's do a hard one, like integral of 0 to pi over 6 of sine on the power 5 of x divided by cosine on the power of 7 of x dx. So what you can see first is the power of sine is greater than the cosine, so sine divided by cosine gives us an idea, is tangents. So that would be a tangents, and then what we have left, so that could be like tangents in the power of 5 of x times 1 over cosine power 2 of x dx. 1 over 1 divided by cosine is second, so second, in this case second to the power 2, and tangents, we do know that first derivative of tangents is second square, so that fits very well. So what we're gonna do, make a substitution, and we will say that our u is equal tangents of x, then our du is second square of x. So if then also the boundaries of the integrals change when x is equals to 0, then u becomes tangents of 0, that sine of 0 is 0, sine of 0 degrees is 0, so therefore u is also 0. So for x equals pi over 6, then u becomes tangents of pi over 6, so u is equal tangents of pi over 6, which is sine of pi over 6 divided by cosine of pi over 6. Pi over 6 is a smaller one, yeah, it's between 60 degrees and 30 degrees. So it's the smaller one, then the sine is smaller. So the two values that we know for pi divided by 6 or by thirds, one is 1/2 and the other is square root of 3 divided by 2. So because this 1/2 is smaller and sine is smaller, therefore it's 1/2. I'm giving you ideas how to remember these values. And the bigger one is cosine, so cosine goes down. That's the two values that you need to remember, 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. They're the same for pi thirds, which is 60 degrees. This is just the other way around, so that's how you remember them. So this becomes 1 square root of 3. So our integral becomes from 0 to 1 over square root of 3 of u on the power 5 times, this is second square, so it's second square is du, so that's times du. So times du dx. So secant squared dx, secant squared dx, because this is our second. This is secant square of x times dx becomes secant square of x dx becomes du. So it's du there. And now we know this integral. That's the basic one. So what it says, that when you do integrals, you just go one power up, and in front of it 1 divided by that, so it's 1/6 of u on the power of 6 from 0 to 1 over square root of 3. And what do we get here? So we'll have 1/6 times 1 square root of 3 on the power of 2 on the power of 6. So it's basically 3 on the power of 1/2, and that on the power of 6. And that is the same as so there is a square root that is now written as 1/2. So what we get there, minus 0 times here is 0, so we don't go further there. So what that's 6 divided by so 1/2 times 6 is 6 halves, is 3. So 1/6 times 1 over 3 on the power of 3. So it's 1 over 27 times 6. So 1 over, that's 120 plus 42, so 120, 162. And that's our example.